Hi guys, for today's video, I will be showing you the best Shopify themes in Envato Market 2022. So first you need to go to the Envato website and click on this, Envato Top Digital Assets and Services. After that, it will redirect you to the website of Envato. Next here on the right part of the screen, you will see here our products. So click the drop down arrow and click on Envato Market. Once you click on Envato Market, you will see here like WordPress themes, e-commerce templates, site templates. So what you're going to do is click on e-commerce templates. Once you click on that, it will redirect you to e-commerce categories, which are Shopify, ZenCart, PrestaShop, Miscellaneous, OpenCart, Magento, BigCommerce. So what we're going to do, because we are looking for the best Shopify theme, so click on Shopify. Here, you will see Shopify themes and templates. So there's a lot of categories that you can choose actually. So let me just go back on that. So we have here like for fashion, shopping, health and beauty, miscellaneous, technology, and entertainment. So these are the themes that you can use for your Shopify. We also have the weekly best sellers, okay, wherein you will also see how much does it cost for the theme. So we have $89, $79, like that. So if you will scroll it, you will just see a lot of themes here, like new bestsellers, top modern items, okay? So what we're going to do is look for the top selling themes. Okay, so here we have, okay, here. Let's try top Shopify fashion themes. So you will see here those items that you can use. Okay, so we have, for example, Minimog, the next generation Shopify themes. You will see how much does it cost. So it's $79. Now, I'll just give you a hint on how to choose the best Shopify themes here in Envato. Make sure that the theme that you're looking at, or this, for example, this category or this design, make sure that it's always updated. So it says here last updated on 13th of May 2022. So now while I am doing this recording, it's May 26, 2022. So here we have May 2, February 25. So I think the latest one is this. Why? Because if, for example, if you are not looking into an updated theme, so probably this kind of themes that you have is no longer, let's say, maybe it has the same also with other people like that, or other projects like that. Okay, so also when you are looking for themes, okay, actually there are free themes that being offered in the internet, okay, but the bad thing of having free themes, they are not really good, they are not attractive, they have low quality, it's not customized, unlike those themes that you paid for. Okay, so here, for example, if I will click on this Minimog, so I will see here that it's $79, and just scroll it down so you will see more of the Shopify theme. Okay, and then after that, for example, you really like the theme, you just add to cart and then you will just pay for it. Okay, so actually guys, that's just how you look for the best Shopify themes here in Envato Market. So you will just select the top selling in Shopify category. Okay, I hope this video is helpful, so see you again on the next video.